Hey guys, Surreal Chinese here, and I have another booster pack for you today. This one is the Primal Clash. And, I've got two of them. And so I'm just going to be opening these and telling you about them. Not like super. And these are what I made. These three, I made those out of clay. And this one I painted, so. Oh no, Marie. We'll keep Melodic down just because she's a water type. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the Aggron pack first. Trying to focus here. Oh, here, I have an idea. I'm going to try this. These packs are so hard to open. Do they really think they have to, like... Okay, Aggron pack gave me a Primal Kyogre pack. Odd. I'm just going to open this one too. Got it. Woo! Card attack. And this is a Primal Kyogre, and it gave me Aggron. Okay, so let's open up the Aggron first. Thankfully, now I know how to shuffle them. Thanks to YouTube. Well, these aren't that bad. I won't show the promo card. Oh, these are so hard to get without. Come on. Oh, there. So. Let's promo card, put it up there. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Okay, so what we got is a repeat ball. Shrine of Memories. Combuskin. Mudkip. Chinchou. Soul Rock. Clamperl. Nidoran Female. Oh, that's so cute. Reverse Hollow Chinchou and a Kingdra. That's beautiful, actually. Okay. Some nice pulls. Let's see if the next one will be an EX or anything. Try not rip the... Okay, just... Wow, I got another Mudkip. Odd. Okay, so what we got here is Vibrava, Professor Birch's Observation, Honedge, never gotten that one, Mudkip again, another Soul Rock, another Clamperl, another Nidoran Female, a Tangela, Reverse Hollow Hippotas, and another full art Macargo. Not hollow. Hippotas is actually pretty cute. Well, that is all the cards in this card opening, and thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you with the next video. Bye!